Everybody's basically in today's GFG POTD, we have a problem union of two sorted arrays with distinct element, and basically it is a easy level of problem, and this problem is like already I have solved. You can also watch it on my YouTube channel, and you can find it that problem. Basically in that problem we have a same level of problem. There also we have to do union of two sorted array. The thing is that the difference, there's actually a minimum distance, or sorry, there's actually a little difference there. We have given the sizes of the array, but here we don't have a sizes of array. Remaining all the things are same, like as the question given here, given two sorted arrays. Here we have an array A and array B, where each array contains distinct element. The task is to return the element in the union of the two array is sorted order. So there, um, in that problem, we have not a distinct element. That means there we have numbers which are appears for more than two times, like that. But here all the elements are unique, or we can say a distinct element, but it is not the case. We have already learned all about sets. A set is a well-defined collections of objects, and we know about the two conditions of sets, that a set should not be repeated, and second thing is that means the ordering is not matter, right? So if we have either distinct element or like multiple element, it not a matter, it's basically not a matter. Okay, and because once we will like inserting inside the set automatically return a single value, as repetition is like not allowed in the sets. Whatever the types, the numbers actually appear, set makes it unique. Okay, so as a problem, let's understand this problem here. Here we have like a definition, that means union of two arrays can be defined as the set containing distinct common elements that are present in either of the array. Okay, and as example given here, let's say this is the array A 1 2 3 4 5 and B is equal to 1 2 3 6 7. So after doing union, we got this output, and the distinct element including both the arrays are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Similarly, if we're talking about example number 2, here it is like 2 3 4 5, and if we do union to 1 2 3 4, we got 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, similarly the last example. So basically this problem we can solve it completely by using arrays, and here related articles, union of two sorted arrays with a distinct element, and we need to solve this problem with an expected time complexity of order of n plus m and expected space of order of n plus m. So first of all, let's try to understand this problem and the approach to solve this question. So first of all, this is basically the example 2, where array A contains the element as 2 3 4 5, which is distinct, and array B is also containing 1 2 3 4. So first thing is that first of all we have to create a set which basically contains both, that means A and B. Okay, so first of all we have to create a set S, and then after that we need to insert all the elements of A, and then after that we have to also insert B. Let's say if I'm inserting this element as, let's say if I'm inserting B first, then it will be like 1 2 3 4. So till here it contains all the elements of array B. Okay, this is the elements of array B. Then after that we need to insert all those elements of array, that means 2 3 4 5, 2 3 4 and 5. So while inserting all the elements inside the set, once we have like inserted all those elements, now sets will perform their own operations, as set is a well-defined collections of object, and inside sets repetition is not allowed. So set removes all those elements which are not distinct. Okay, so it will remove like 2, then 3, and then 4. So after removing all those duplicates value, it is having like 1 2 3 4 5, which is our union of a set. a union of a two sorted array. Okay, now once you've done these things, now the next thing is that we have to create a vector where we need to store all those elements of set, and we can simply like, let's say if here we have to make answer vector, and once we like take all those values of set S, then we need to insert it inside the vector, and we can simply take out as a output, which is basically our union of two sorted array. So this is the easy approach which we are actually solving with an expected time complexity of order of n plus m, and space complexity also as order of n plus m, like that. So let's try to solve this question. First of all, let's say we have to create a vector of integer type, as it is containing all integer, and here we have to define the vector as answer, and then after that I have to create a set which is of int type, and let's say here I'm saying st for set. I have defined set as st, and now first of all the first thing is that we need to insert all the elements. We can also insert first either a array or b array. It automatically sorted in like whenever it will perform the operations. So let's say first of all we are actually going to insert all the elements of b. Okay, so for, or we can also insert all the elements for a. Both are giving correct output, so let's say I'm going through a. So first of all we have to traverse through a array. So I is equal to 0, I is less than a dot size, and then after that I plus plus, that means it will traverse complete array a, and it will take all the values of a inside the set, which we have defined st dot insert, and it will take all the elements of array. So that means array a of I. Once it will take all the elements of a, now similarly we can say that we need to insert all the elements or all the values of b array inside the set. Now again we need to traverse for b array. So for int I is equal to 0, I is less than e dot size, and then after that b plus plus, sorry, I plus plus, and then after that again we have to insert st dot insert, and here we need to insert all the elements of b, that means b of I. Now once we have insert all those things, now we are currently at this stage, that means we are inserting this array also inside set, and we have inserted this array inside set, and inside set is actually performing the operation that it will remove all their duplicates value, and that means repetition is not allowed basically inside the set. Okay, so it will perform that operation, and then finally we need to take all those set value as inside the answer variable. So we can simply do one thing here. First of all, here we have to take all the values for set inside the vector. So here we can set it for here we can use auto x, which basically traverse st, and then after that we can simply answer dot push back, we can simply push back all the elements of set. That means here we have defined it as x, so we can simply take it as x, and then we can simply return our answer variable return. Let's try to compile and run. So yeah, it's giving correct output. Let's try to submit it. So it's submitted. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.